Simplify the expression. Assume that all variables represent positive real numbers. 2 times the square root of 300 plus 5 times the square root of 48. To simplify, we'll first simplify each of the radical factors. We have 2 times the square root of 300. We can factor out the perfect square of 100 from that radicand. So we have 2 times the square root of 100 times 3. And then we have plus 5 times the square root of 48. 48 is divisible by the perfect square factor 16, so we can rewrite this as plus 5 times the square root of 16 times 3. Now, this is equal to 2 times the square root of 100 times the square root of 3 plus 5 times the square root of 16 times the square root of 3. Evaluating the square roots of the perfect squares, we have 2 times 10 times the square root of 3 plus 5 times 4 times the square root of 3. Simplifying by multiplying the coefficients of the radicals, we have 20 times the square root of 3 plus 20 times the square root of 3. Now we can add by combining like radicals. Using the distributive property, we have 20 plus 20 all times the square root of 3, which simplifies to 40 times the square root of 3.